Can you see Mo? I love when he's my little filming partner. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, so instead of doing a monthly favorites, I thought it would be a fun and maybe a little bit more interesting to do products that I purchased in the summer for the summer it's gonna follow me right into fall. I have cleaning, I have body, I have makeup. Let's go. I don't know if I should start with like cleaning first because that's not really interesting. No. Okay. What am I doing? In the summer, it's really hot. I've been exercising a lot more this summer, which has been really nice. I started getting like acne on my back, which is something that I got when I was a teenager. I thought I was done with that part of my life. Anyway, so I did some research online and recently Naturium has come to shoppers in Canada. I got the Perfector Salicylic Acid Body Wash. It's a gel formula. It's really thick and then you get this really creamy foam wash. I put it, wash my back with it. I use it as a body wash as it's intended. And oh my God, I haven't gotten a pimple on my back since. I wish this was around when I was younger. It is so fantastic. It just has like a soap smell, very light, so no scent if that's something that irritates your skin. I've noticed it's even helped like the KP bumps I have on my arms, some bumps that I have on my legs. It feels really good. It's not drying on my skin because I do have dry skin. This is amazing. They also have a hydrating one. But it's just been so good for the back knee that I was getting. Like, I think there was a cyst. Like, it felt like it was this big. Oh, they're awful. And sometimes I will use this on my face. It may be a little too strong. This is developed for daily use. You can use it on your body and your face, which is kind of amazing. Usually we keep those separate, but if I've had a very sweaty day, usually after work, right? I will use this in the shower. Stunning, 10 out of 10, 90 out of 10, so good. And then this is another Naturium product. It's their body lotion. We don't have the body butter in Canada that I've seen, but this does come in a body butter. It has shea butter in it, so you get that kind of like sweet shea butter, cocoa butter scent, but besides that, there's no smell to it. It is light. Like, it soaks in. It does have a light texture, as you can see there. It's not like a super thick butter, and it really blends into the skin like 2 seconds. You're not going to be spending a lot of time, and I find pretty quickly, like, you can put your clothes on. It's really nice and hydrating. I don't know if it's the most hydrating product. It looks nice on your counter. Like, it looks luxurious, and it has, I believe this was like $21 and maybe $26. Really enjoying that. Okay, so I don't know if this is maybe a little odd to bring up. I'm telling you the products that are working for me, so I'm not going to be embarrassed. But this is the Dove Whole Body Deodorant. It's in a coconut and vanilla scent. It's just a really pleasant scent. I believe they have it unscented as well. What I like about this is that, you're in the gym, it's really hot, and this can go anywhere on your body, if you get what I mean. You can use it just as a regular deodorant for under the arms, get really sweaty, stinky feet. You can put it on your feet. You can put it on your bikini line because that can get really sweaty in the summer and maybe a little odory. It's weird to talk about online because I've never done that before, but this is like, I will always buy this. And I think it's a new product. First Aid Beauty came out with one. Secrets come out with one. I think Dove, I like them as a company. It smells good and it works. So I did some online research and I found some products to help get the stink, the body odor, the sweat out of your workout clothes. And the first one I got is this Downy Rinse and Refresh. Oh, look how big this bottle is. So this is almost like a mouthwash for your clothes. It goes in the fabric softener deposit. And again, this comes in unscented, but I got the scented because you know what? I like scent. I want to smell good. I'm tired of being a stinky girl in the gym. I don't need to be, but I just have the same workout clothes and I don't want to buy some new ones. Anyways, so this is in the cool cotton. It's a fabric rinse and it just takes the odors out. I do really like this. I found my clothes, like my workout clothes, they stayed, like I wasn't getting that BO scent from them. But I also bought something I've never heard of, and it's a laundry disinfectant. So it's like, you know, one of those disinfecting wipes for your laundry, kills 99.9% of bacteria, which is what's making your clothes stink once you start wearing them again and like you start sweating, is the bacteria from your sweat is staying in and it's not being rinsed out properly from your laundry detergent or whatever. So this doesn't have a scent. It just smells like a disinfectant kind of. Yeah, you can use it on all clothes, and yeah, you can use it on baby clothes. You know, towels can get kind of stinky. Gym clothes, bedding, undergarments, delicates. I like this one a bit more than the Downy rinse and refresh. This really makes my gym clothes smell all right. Like, it is so good. And I've never heard of a laundry disinfectant before. This is why apps, you know, online community is good, because you learn these random things. Where I actually don't have a lot for makeup. I feel like I didn't buy too much makeup this summer. Pat on the back for me. Like a fragrance, I've been talking about this. I bought this in the spring and I didn't feel like it really suited the time. So this is the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato. That nutty, fatty pistachio, like that, and it has a bit of like, and then it's the like whipped cream rum. This is so delectable, and I feel like this is more summer fall rather than spring, if that makes sense, because it's very like outcasting. You're gonna smell it. It's very gourmand. It's delicious. Another product that has just like stolen my heart, the Milk Makeup in Burst. This is a cooling water jelly tint. I keep the cap on so it stays nice in there. I know it looks like a little product, but this is supposed to last like 1,000 swipes. And let's be honest, you don't need that much with this, but I love it on the lips. I don't know how it gets used up. Like, is it just gonna stay like this? Or does it get like smaller and smaller? I don't know. I love this on the lips. It's a beautiful tint for the lips. And then on the cheeks, it's a very fresh pink. And I think this has looked good in the summer, even on my tan skin. And I think it will look good once, you know, the tan starts wearing away. It's just that like beautiful pink. It's kind of hard to blend out. So that's why like you put it on your cheek and you blend it out right away. Or you use a brush, is very easy to do. I like the smell. I'm really excited to just like use this all the time. Another makeup product I discovered this summer is the Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liners. These are $10, like such good value. I got the shades Cappuccino and Brownie Pie. Cappuccino's a really beautiful cool tone taupe, and then Brownie Pie, a really beautiful brown. You can see those two shades, which I never thought I could pull off, but once I blend it, it just looks so beautiful. Try things that you think might not look good on you and just make sure you're buying it from a place that has a good return policy. They blend out really well. I wouldn't say they're the most long lasting, but what lip liner is? I don't know. I don't think I've like used a lip liner. I'm like, wow, that's still on. I used to love the Rimmel London commercials, you know, get the London look. I think the brand's doing some really cool stuff, and I'm excited to see what else they come out with. They came out with some eyeshadow sticks. I'm really getting into that. Like, this is an all year round color that I can use, and that's amazing. Another product that I got this summer, which is like the third time repurchasing it, is the Fenty Beauty Shine Stick, Slip Shine in Makeout Break. I know they came out with a new formula. It's there's no sparkles in it, but it's very glossy. I don't know how I feel about those. They're okay. I just think this is so special. It smells so, and it's just the most beautiful nude. I love putting this over the tint. It gives it some sparkle, even more juiciness. Like, it's gonna take me no time to get through that. I don't know. I think the packaging is really gorgeous as well. It always stays on the cap, which is important. And like I said, it's really nice. I find like those nude lips in the fall are so beautiful. But speaking of lip products, I kind of wanted to give I don't know if I like this. I bought it in the summer. This is the Ilia crayons. This one's in Night Bloom. I bought it because I don't have anything this color. It's a really beautiful like blue magenta. Let me tell you why I don't like it. I love the color. The matte formula is comfortable. I do find by like hour 5, it feels like you have a matte lipstick on your lips. And there's only a few matte lipstick products where I feel like you don't get that. So I'm not mad about that. It's more that because of the shape, they've made it like the diameter. My sharpener that has a small sharpener and then a big sharpener, and then you can like pull it out and make it even bigger. It doesn't fit this. And so now I'm gonna have to buy like their $10 sharpener to continue using this, because as you can see, like you can't line your lips very nicely with this. And so I found when I was reapplying it, it was just really messy, and I'm pretty good at doing my makeup. I can put my lipstick on relatively nicely. And so I just feel like, will I buy that? Maybe, because I want to be able to wear this properly. But it was a little frustrating and a bit of a letdown, because I do find this is, oh, you know what's interesting? It says contents made in Italy, assembled in China, which is like, this is an expensive product. I'm pretty sure it's almost $40. And then we have the Rimmel lip liners, and it's contents made in Italy, assembled in China. $10, almost $40. I can sharpen this. I can't sharpen this. Interesting. I do love this color though, but it's mine now and I'm gonna use it, and I will probably end up buying that sharpener. It's really exciting to have like the seasons start to change. Monthly favorites are like, I love them, but it's nice when you have products and they can continue throughout the year, whether it's body care, cleaning, laundry, or makeup. Buying products that work for you, that you want to use rather than trendy, is a great way to look at your spending habits and purchasing. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything like this that you're going to be transitioning from summer to fall with. Sometimes like those little hacks, you don't know. Is there anything like that that you have? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.